Welcome to Daily Insight, your source of bite sized wisdom and transformative knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. I invite you to journey with me into a world brimming with enlightenment, where every moment is a golden opportunity to learn, to grow, and to view the world anew. Together, let us explore the marvelous hidden in the fabric of daily life, transforming ordinary encounters into invaluable lessons. Whether you're seeking a spark of inspiration, a quick practical tip, or a profound exploration of life's most significant questions, Daily Insights is your gateway to daily inspiration and discovery. Today, I'm going to speak to you about embracing renewal, a journey to positive transformation. We stand at a crossroads of continuity and change, where the concept of renewal beckons us forward. Today is not just another day, it is a pivotal moment for decision and change. It is a time to close the chapters of the old, the habits, doubts, and fears that have held us back. As I speak to you today, let us critically examine our lives. What negative behaviors are we tolerating? Which outdated grudges and beliefs are preventing us from embracing the vibrant energy of positivity? You might ask, what is renewal? Well, renewal is not just about change, it is a profound transformation involving shedding the old layers of our lives to reveal fresh, vibrant growth. Renewal is a deliberate choice. It is a commitment to personal growth and self discovery, leading to transformation. It involves cultivating habits that nourish, fostering relationships that empower, and adopting thoughts that inspire. I want you to reflect on the rejuvenation of nature in spring, where old leaves fall to give way to new buds, promising a future filled with growth and beauty. As the architects and captains of our happiness and the pioneers of our evolution, we are not just changing, we are evolving into our best selves. As we embrace renewal, we embark on a path to discard negative behaviors, outdated grudges, and limiting beliefs. This journey is about more than just turning away from the past. It is about actively moving toward a future charged with positivity and potential. Imagine for a moment your life, a life where each day is a canvas of opportunity, a chance to paint a new story of hope and happiness. Yes, you have the power to write your own story. Together, you, me, let us commit to this path of renewal. Let us replace the old narrative with a new one of hope, health, and harmony. With one hearts and minds, let us step forward together, ready to embark on a journey of positive change and boundless potential. Let us not just dream of a better tomorrow, let us actively construct it with every action, every choice, and every decision we make. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.